Hi everyone, this is fourth video of time, speed and distance. Hope you all have already watched first three videos. Those who have not yet watched, kindly watch it before watching this video. In first two videos we have learned the basics of time, speed and distance. In third video we have learned level 0 problems in time, speed and distance. In this video we are going to learn about level 1 problems in time, speed and distance. Let us start with the first problem. A man completes a journey in 10 hours. He travels first half of the journey at the rate of 21 km per hour and second half at the rate of 24 km per hour. Find the total journey in kilometer. So here we have to find the distance. A man is traveling from one point to another, let it be A to B. The total time taken by the man is 10 hours. He is traveling the first half of this journey at the speed of 21 km per hour and second half of the journey at the speed of 24 km per hour. So here we have to find the total distance. The formula for finding total distance will be equal to average speed into time taken. See here, distance is same. So distance traveled at the speed of 21 km and distance traveled at the speed of 24 km is same. So the formula for finding average speed will be 2xy divided by x plus y. So on substituting the value, we'll get 2 into the value of first speed, that is 21 km per hour, and value of second speed, it is 24 km per hour, divided by 21 plus 24, that is 45, into time taken, that is 10 hour. Check the units. So unit of speed is kilometer per hour, unit of time is hour, so unit of distance will be kilometer. There is no need of unit conversion. Now we are going to cancel out with the common terms, first with 5, again with 3, and again with 3. So answer will be 2 cross 7 cross 8 cross 2, 224 kilometers. So total distance travel is 224 kilometer. Let us see the second problem. A and B walk around a circular track. B walks at a speed of 2 rounds per hour and 3 rounds per hour respectively. If they start at 8 am from the same point in opposite direction, how many times shall they cross each other before 9:30 am? So we have a circular track. A and B both were starting at the same point. So A is moving towards this direction and B is moving towards this direction. The speed of A is 2 rounds per hour. Speed of B is 3 rounds per hour. So here problem is how many times will they meet in between 8 am to 9:30 am. So totally we have 1.5 hours. See, both were moving on opposite direction. So their relative speed will be sum of their speed, that is 5 rounds per hour. So for 1 hour they will revolve 5 rounds. So for 1.5 hours it will be 7.5 rounds. 7.5 rounds in 1.5 hours. So here problem is how many times. For 1 round they will meet 1 time. So for 7.5 rounds they will meet 7 times. So answer will be 7 times. Let us see the next problem. Two boys starts from the same place walking at the rate of 5 km per hour and 5.5 km respectively in the same direction. What time will they take to be 8.5 km apart? See here, two persons starting from the same point and they are moving in the same direction. The speed of first person is 5 km per hour and speed of second person is 5.5 km per hour. So here distances, they have to be 8.5 km apart. So we have to find time. So formula for finding time will be distance divided by speed. So distance travel should be 8.5 km. So relative speed here, both were moving on same direction. So difference in speed will be their relative speed, which we have already discussed in video number 2. So difference will be 0.5 km per hour. So answer will be 17 hours. Let us see the next problem. A car is 250 meters behind the bus. The car and bus moving with the speed of 60 km per hour and 35 km per hour respectively. A car will be ahead of bus by 250 meter in dash timing. So initially the car is 250 meter behind the bus. The speed of car is 60 km per hour. The speed of bus is 35 km per hour. The problem here is we have to find the time at which the car is 250 meter ahead the car. car is 250 meter ahead the bus. So here we have to find the time. Time will be equal to distance divided by speed, that is relative speed. So distance travel, see here, this car have to cover this 250 meter to reach the bus or to be in line with the bus, and another 250 to be ahead the bus. So total distance will be 500 meter divided by relative speed. Both were moving on same direction. Car is moving on this direction, bus is also moving on this direction. So both were moving on same direction, means the relative speed will be difference in the speed, that is 25 kilometer per hour. See here, the unit of distance is meter and unit of speed is kilometer per hour. So we have to convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second. So for converting that, I have to multiply it with 5 by 18. Now we are going to cancel out the common terms. So answer will be 18 into 4, 72 seconds. Let us see the next problem. Excluding the stoppage, the speed of bus is 54 km per hour. Including stoppage, it is 45 km per hour. How many minutes does a bus stop per hour? See here, if there is no stoppage, the bus travels 54 kilometers in 1 hour. If there is a stoppage, the bus will travel 45 km in 1 hour. The bus without stoppage is traveling etc. 9 km. The time taken to travel this, or the time taken to cross this 9 km will be the time of stoppage. So we have to find the time. Time will be equal to distance divided by speed. So distance travel is 9 km divided by speed is 54 km per hour. So see here, the unit of distance is meter, unit of speed is kilometer per hour. So unit of time will be hour. So here the answer should be in minutes. So I am converting the hour to minutes. So I am multiplying it with 60. Now we are going to cancel out the common terms. First with 6, again with 9. So answer will be 10 minutes. So bus will stop 10 minutes in an hour. Hope you all clear with this video. Thank you.